Alright, let's kick things off. We're hitting the forest today with our RC cars. Check out these little guys making their way through this stream. It's like a mini off-road adventure right from the start. Now we're getting into the thick of it. Look at this kiddo with his toy gun, probably imagining his own wilderness expedition. And our RC cars just cruising over these fallen leaves, fall colors and RC cars. What a combo. Here's where the fun really begins. We're all meeting up, getting our cars ready to tackle whatever the forest throws at us. That red one's already showing off, climbing over rocks like it's nothing. Okay, things are getting a little messy. Everyone's gathered around, navigating their RC cars over logs and through the leaves. It's all fun and games until someone gets stuck, right? Oh, looks like we found our first real challenge, a muddy ditch. This RC truck is giving it its all, trying to power through. Let's see if it makes it without needing a tow. Now we're talking. Deep mud, splashing water, this is what off-roading is all about, even if it's just on a small scale. These toy cars are getting a real workout. Whoa, what's this? A tractor chilling by the riverbank? Looks like someone else is ready for some serious off-road action. Maybe we can get it to pull us out if we get really stuck. Sometimes you gotta get your hands dirty, literally. This guy's right in the mud, making sure his RC truck makes it through. Dedication right there. These little cars are troopers. They're powering through the stream like it's nothing. Splashing water, navigating rocks, they're really earning their keep today. And here we are, the final challenge, a seriously muddy area. This red off-road vehicle is giving it everything it's got. It's been a full day of RC action, and we're ending with a bang. Hope you all enjoyed the ride. What kind of off-road adventures do you guys get up to? Tell me in the comments.